Well, guys, how y'all doing? This is Brian, Cliffside Outfitters. Hey, we're out here today. Old Florence come through here in North Carolina, and sort of put a stop to all the fishing for a couple weeks. And right now, the lake's still flooded. I mean, the lake that I'm on today, Lake Roadhead, the water's 4 or 5 feet above what will be normal. But me and Matt, we can't stand it no more. We had to come out here and see if we couldn't catch a fish. So we brought some worms and some bobbers, and we're gonna get out here and see if we can't get our fix. Y'all come with us and see how we do. There he is. There he is. There he is. He don't feel like no whopper. He ain't. I was a hole up. There was a hole up. Doesn't matter. That's a little old bitty fella. Ain't quite as small as that one I caught a while ago, though. That old one on here. Sunfish. There he is. Hey. Yeah. Big one right there. He's in there, but yeah. Been too long for you, ain't it?
What?
Been too long for you, ain't it?
What do you mean?
Oh, that's a big one there, boy. Golly, what? What you got there, boy? That's pretty bluegill right there. Very good, very good. There he is. That's not a better fish. Bluegill. Right behind that stick. Right there, halfway bend between that stick and the bank is a good. Man, you can get there. You're getting close, right? It's not bad. Lost in. Put that thing back in there. I said, men used to do us a lot when you was young with her. Huh?
Yeah, I guess.
I tell you what. Nah. This right here, this technique that men you're using is the technique that gets people hooked on fishing. You know what?
Yep.
It's low tech, fast action. Whole lot of fun. Oh, there he is. Hey, bulldog it a little bit. Boy, that's a pretty little fella right there, ain't he?
I wonder why some of them have more color than other ones.
Males and females mostly.
Oh.
And two, if they're in deeper water, they won't have as much color to them as. Yeah, I got him. Got him. Yeah, age. The older fish will have more color to them. Some of the male bluegills, as they get older, they'll even take on like a black appearance almost on their back. There he is. Well, that's a little bitty fella. He ain't much bigger. I've seen shad a whole lot bigger than that. There he is. It's good fun, man.
Yep.
Oh,
Man, oh man.
what you doing up that tree?
I catch a squirrel.
Sure. You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Mentally hurt.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there he is. They ain't big, but they fun, ain't they? Yeah. Man.
It seems like every time I get hung up, you start catching more fish.
Well, you just keep getting hung up in. That's what it takes for me to have a
So
good time to catch them.
somehow have managed to get the fishing line ran through the eye of the hook, like around my rod, and then tied back to the hook.
Well, you talented, ain't you? Ain't a whole lot of people do that.
Wow.
How big in there? Oh. There he is. That little feller. There he is. Ooh. There he is. There he is. Look there, a little old largemouth. He want to get in on the action a little bit, didn't he? Easy feller. Whew.
What are you
You
doing?
do like them boys on TV and hold him up real close to the camera like that. Make him look like a big and old. There he is. There he is. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, guys, hey, as y'all can see, it's just about got dark on us, and we're gonna have to call it quits. But we sure did have a whole lot of fun this evening, and the water's up, and crappie ain't biting, and ain't a whole lot going on. But these bluegill were more than willing to cooperate, and it has been a surefire cure for cabin fever. Like I told you earlier, it's been a couple weeks since we've been able to get out and fish, and these bluegill provided a wonderful evening. I want to let y'all know that we appreciate you watching, and if you hadn't had a chance, subscribe to the channel. This is Brian and Matthew, Cliffside Outfitters. Y'all have a good day.